Dear students, I am Velkani from EE department at Sardar Raja College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to start the presentation about the subject Measurements and Instrumentation. Subject code is EE3403. The course purpose of this subject, the course trains students to understand how measurements work, not just read instruments, focuses on accurate data measurement, analysis, and industrial application. Prepares students for roles in instrumentation, automation, and control systems. Course objectives of in this subject to learn basic measurement principles and error analysis, to understand how electrical measuring instruments are built and work, to measure electrical parameter accurately using bridge circuits, choose the right transducers for physical quantities like temperature and pressure, to apply digital instruments and PLCs in industrial environments. Syllabus overview. First lesson, we are going to focusing on the concept of measurements and the generalized measurement systems. The generalized measurement systems are primary sensing element, variable conversion element, variable manipulation element, data transmission element, data presentation elements. And the characteristics of static and dynamic measurements characteristics. Also study the types of errors in measurements and their minimization. Second unit, we are comprising the measurement of parameters in electrical systems, the construction and working of induction moving coil instruments and moving ion instruments. Next, working construction and working of dynamometer type wattmeter and induction type energy meter with torque equations. Also study about instrument transformers, current transformer and the potential transformer. The current transformer is used to step down the high current and the potential transformer is used to step down the high voltage. Unit 3, AC and DC bridges and instrumentation amplifiers. The DC bridges are Wheatstone bridge and Kelvin double bridge. The Wheatstone bridge used to measure the unknown resistance, and Kelvin double bridge also measure the unknown low resistance. Then AC bridges are Maxwell bridges, shearing bridges, high bridges. The Maxwell bridges to measure the unknown inductance, shearing bridges to measure the unknown capacitance. Fourth unit. The fourth unit, transducers for measurements of non-electrical parameters. Transducer is a device that converts a physical quantity into an electrical signal. The physical quantity is pressure, temperatures. Also discuss measuring specific parameters. The specific parameters are temperature, displacement, pressure, smart sensors. The RTD thermocouples and thermistor is used to measure the temperature. The LVDT linear variable differential transformer is used to the displacement. Strain gauges and Bourdon tubes used to measure the pressure. Smart sensor means sensors with integrated processing and communication capabilities. The fifth unit, digital instrumentations. The data converters are analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. Then study about the sampling. Sampling means the process of converting continuous signals into discrete time signals. In advanced instrumentation, the advanced instrumentations are DSO, digital storage oscilloscope, and data locus, virtual instrumentation, then VLC basics. To have a clear understanding about specific topics in this subject, we need industrial visits and workshops. Industrial visits, the electrical substations to study current transformers, potential transformers, and energy meters. Manufacture plants using sensors and PLC automation. Calibration labs to learn measurement standards in workshops. Lab view based virtual instrumentation, PLC programming and automation, PCB fabrication and soldering, sensor interfacing using microcontrollers. The overall importance of in this subject builds strong fundamentals for gate, board jobs and higher studies. The essential for career in instrumentation, automation, power systems and manufacturing. Course outcomes. And successful completions of the course, the students should have to understand the fundamental arts of measurement in engineering, to understand the structural elements of various instruments, and ability to understand the importance of bridge circuits, to understand about various transducers and their characteristics by experiments, to understand the concept of digital instrumentation and virtual instrumentations by experiments. Recommended books. In this subject, the recommended books are A.K. Shani, core textbook for the entire syllabus. H.S. Halsey, strong focus on electronic and digital instruments. U.A. Buxi, easy explanation and solved problems. Thank you.